To use Apple Pay in restaurants. Start by making sure your iPhone or Apple Watch is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have a credit or debit card added to your wallet app. Open the wallet app on your device. Then tap the plus sign to add a new card. Follow the prompts to enter your card details and agree to the terms. Once your card is added, you can use Apple Pay in restaurants that accept contactless payments. Look for the Apple Pay logo or the contactless payment symbol at the checkout counter. When you are ready to pay, hold your iPhone near the contactless reader with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate the transaction. If you are using an Apple Watch, double-click the side button and hold the watch near the reader. You will see a confirmation on the screen when the payment is successful. You can also receive receipts and rewards through the Wallet app after making a purchase with Apple Pay. To use Apple Pay in restaurants with your iPhone, make sure to have the latest version of iOS installed and that your device is unlocked and ready for use. You can also use Apple Pay through third-party apps such as Uber Eats or Grubhub. By selecting Apple Pay as your payment method at checkout, it is also a good idea to keep your device and wallet app up to date to ensure you have the latest security features and to prevent any issues with your transactions. Additionally, if you need to return an item or request a refund, you can use Apple Pay to process the transaction, just like you would with a traditional credit or debit card. Using Apple Pay in restaurants is a convenient and secure way to make payments. And by following these steps, you can start using it today. Apple Pay is accepted at many restaurants and retailers, and it is a great way to leave your wallet at home and make payments with just your device.